Hi everyone, today we're going to take a look at the basic of an EC2 instance, how to configure it and what the basic project you can do with it. Let's get started. Okay, first you need to have an AWS account. If you don't have one, it's quick and free to create. You still need to put down your bank card in case you go over the free plan, which don't worry, won't be the case for us today. You will also need to be on Linux, as we will be typing certain commands in the terminal, and this will be Linux command. If you're on Windows or Mac, that's work too, but at times it won't be exactly like me. So to get started, go to the AWS console. Click on the search bar, type EC2 and click on it. On there, click on Launch Instance. Here you will need to configure a number of things, starting with the instance name, which I will call TrackIt EC2 Tuto. Next, you're going to choose the operating system you want your machine to run on. The easiest is Ubuntu, so choose that one. You can continue, and under instance type, you can choose T2 Micro. Normally it's checked by default. Just to the right, it says that there are 753 hours per month, which means that with a single instance, it will always be free, so don't worry. In key pair login, you don't normally have a key, and even if you do, click on Create a new key pair. Here you're going to have to choose the name of your key for your login. I'm going to keep it simple and put TrackIt key. You can leave everything as default and click on Create Key Pair. Normally it is automatically download a .pem file that will be useful later for connecting to the instance, so keep it safe. For my part, I'm going to store it in a special folder, and I advise you to do the same. Further down, check that Create Security Group and Allow SSH Traffic From are selected. Otherwise, you won't be able to connect to your instance. And for this tutorial, we're going to create a small website on our VM, so we will also be authorizing HTTP traffic. Then scroll down and click on Launch Instance. You will have a short loading time, and once you have the pop-up saying that the instance has been created, you can scroll down and click on View All Instance. Your new instance should be here, so wait until the instance state is set to ready. Once your instance is running, you can click on it, and now the goal is to connect to it. You will see that things are going pretty well because AWS is going to give us a tutorial. Click on the Connect button and go to the SSH Client tab. Here, as you can see, AWS tells us to use this command on the file we downloaded earlier. So if you're familiar with Linux, you can open a terminal where you put the file and type the command chmod 400 and your file name. Then simply copy the last command, paste it into your terminal, run it, and here it is. We are now currently connected to our VM. The aim now, as I said earlier, is to try and launch a little website, which is what we're going to do with Apache right now. All the commands I'm going to type are in the description if you just want to copy and paste them. We will start by updating our package manager with this command. There will be a short loading time, and next we will install Apache to run our website. So to do this, type this command. After that, we will start Apache, and finally we will activate it by tapping this command. Now, if you go back to the AWS console to your instance main page and copy your instance public IP address and paste it into your browser, you should see the Apache default page. And that's perfect, well done. Now let's try a little customization. Back to our terminal, the index.html displayed by Apache is located in /var/www/html. To write whatever you want to this file, you can do echo followed by the content you want to put in the index.html, and then at the end of the command to redirect the content to the index.html. You can return to the same link as before and see that it has been updated with what we have written. Now it's up to you to customize it as you wish. And just as a reminder, you have probably guessed by now, but this site is open to anyone who get this link. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to post them in the comments. We will be happy to answer them. Don't hesitate to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and we will see you in the next video.